Hi guys, my name is Mohit. So today I made a project on command line interface, basically a chatbot, simple chatbot using Hugging Face model. I use the patent model Google Flynt T5 large. So yeah, this is the README. This is GitHub of my project. This is the README file which I kept the name Hugging Chat CLI, just like a command line interface Hugging Face model. And my project is just as simply and look like that. Okay, this I mentioned some feature. I some mentioned some set of instructions. Okay, blah, blah. This is the architecture and flow. So I show you the mermaid diagram. Okay, so basically my application is started. Firstly, it load the model. Okay, there is a file model loader.py. Then it initialize the chat memory where it makes transfer file. Basically, you can search anything and it will keep the file history prior to your chat. So this is the meaning. So for it wait for the user input. When user get user input, if user input slash exit, then it will say print goodbye and exit. Okay, if it is it's have some query, so user input added to the chat memory. Okay, then get formatted prompt chat memory that get it gives some prompt, then send full prompt to the model pipeline, and then model answer and receive generated response. Then this response is printed and the response is also printed in the chat memory. Okay, then if trim history if needed, if there is anything to trim, then it will trim and save to the history and give the output to the user. So this is the whole workflow. Then I'll show you the whole code how it is working. Like this is, yeah. So the main important, the first most important thing is interface.py, which operate all the chat memory.py and model.py. Firstly, loader.py loads the model. The model name is Google Flynt T5 large. It loads the whole model. Okay, easily like that. It is a function which loads the whole model. Okay. Then second thing is chat memory.py that I told you manage conversation history for all instruction following model. It builds a prompt telling the model to answer a question based on the previous context. Okay, I mentioned everything here. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay. Then this is the most important thing, that Python interface.py. It initialize the model first, initialize the memory, then print local initial chatbot and the ELR. Start this loop. This is chatbot working until the infinite loop until you exit. Okay. Then it add memory, it add prompt, it add the response and give the response to you. Print what response. Then add the response to the memory. Then yeah, all the, okay. That's all. Then I'll run the code and show you the live example. It takes so much time to load the model. So yeah, this is working. That I show you. Yeah, I show you what is the capital of China. Yeah, it is working well. Okay, so where is Great Wall is present? Wow, it is working well. Well, okay. So yeah, if I exit, yeah, so this is working very well. So yeah, that's all about my project. Thank you so much.